Hey, and welcome back to Luxury Car Care. Another video here. This is a 2018 Ford Expedition. This is one of my very good maintenance clients. I do this car plus a few other ones for him. And every 6 to 8 weeks, this car's in for its routine maintenance. So pretty quick job here. Just some background. So I did do a full detail ceramic coating on all the paint. So this car has Gtechniq Crystal Serum Light plus wheel ceramic plus window glass ceramic, all by Gtechniq. So it does make cleaning and detailing this car that much easier. So hope you enjoy. I'll talk you through a few spots here as we go along, but start out with my normal wet work, doing the wheels, the wheel wells. You see me do the running boards and getting some of the heavier dirt off the rocker areas, and then give it a wash and bring it inside to kind of wrap things up. So enjoy the wash, and I'll be back here momentarily. All right, car is washed, and we got it pulled in here, and I'm gonna dry the whole thing. I have some of the car dried here already. I'll use the air compressor to blow out some of the heavy water and some of the crevices, the wheels, emblem, stuff like that. I use a specific towel to then wipe down all the door jambs as well, and trunk jambs, and just get everything nice and dried. And then you'll see me use my ceramic spray sealer as the drying, as I don't really use it as drying aid. I do sometimes. C2V3 is what I use from Gtechniq. It's my topper on top of my ceramic coating cars that I do. I typically like to dry the car mostly first, just because I don't want to water down the C2V3. I like to get a nice coating on it on top of the ceramic without the water. So I dry it first, then I use the C2V3. You'll just see me go around the car, do all the jambs. I even do the C2V3 on the jambs too, just to kind of, because again, the jambs are also ceramic coated, so it just helps to kind of fortify that ceramic coating. All right, in the home stretch here, obviously to wrap up the detail, the maintenance detail, got to do the interior as well. So you're going to see some interior work. I don't videotape a lot of interior. It's just really tough to do and get good angles and have you be able to see what I'm doing. The lighting's usually bad. I have a headlamp on, which you can kind of see, but it's very focused and allows me to see everything that's going on in the car, but doesn't really help from a camera perspective. But anyway, I did a little bit of video, and so you can see the interior. Generally it's not too bad. You will see me pull out the Analon brush for dog hair. They actually have a dog. They don't take it in the car, but it spends most of its life in the garage. So I think has a lot of dog hair in the garage, and they track that in the car when they get in. Dog hair is not that bad. I don't really charge an upcharge for it because they're such good customers, but I do a little bit of a dog hair cleanup in here, you'll see. Otherwise, I'm sorry, I did do a video of after and try to get the exterior, but the video didn't take. So you don't actually get to see kind of a walk around of the finished products. I apologize for that, but hope you enjoyed it, and give me a like if you did, and please subscribe. And hey, Happy New Year! Hopefully it's the 31st, December 31st here, so I'm gonna get this posted out today. And good luck with 2022. I'm hoping it's even better than this year. And have a good one. See ya.